quickly repairs windshield cracks, prevents spreading, saves money, and maintains safe driving visibility. My today's video is about top 5 best washing machine that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bngxr Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. The Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit is a fast, reliable, and cost-effective solution for preventing minor glass damage from turning into major problems. Designed for quick use, it allows you to repair chips and cracks within minutes using advanced multi-layer curing technology. This helps restore strength to the glass while effectively preventing further spreading or secondary cracking. Its simple step-by-step process makes it highly user-friendly. Just clean the damaged area, apply the repair fluid, and cover it with the curing film. No need to remove the windshield or use complicated tools. In just a short time, the glass can look noticeably clearer and more stable. The kit is highly versatile, capable of handling various types of damage such as star cracks, single-line cracks, radial patterns, and small chips. The high-transparency resin penetrates deep into fine fractures, improving overall structural integrity and clarity. Effective within minutes, it helps protect against worsening damage caused by road vibrations and temperature changes. Suitable for windshields, windows, mirrors, and more, this all-in-one repair kit offers practical and universal protection for vehicle glass. Now our second product is Lomeen Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. The windshield repair kit is a practical and efficient solution for fixing chips and cracks before they spread. Using an advanced UV-activated resin formula, it helps stop crack growth while restoring the glass to a near-invisible finish, maintaining clear visibility and driving safety. Designed for convenience, it offers a simple DIY process that takes around 20 minutes. Just clean the damaged area, inject the resin, and let sunlight or UV light cure it. No special skills or tools required. The result is a strong and neat repair without damaging the original windshield. Its deep seal penetration technology ensures the resin reaches deep into cracks by removing trapped air bubbles, creating a more solid and long-lasting bond. This makes the repair stronger and more reliable over time. The kit is versatile enough to handle a wide range of damage, including star cracks, bullseye chips, spiderweb patterns, and surface scratches on laminated auto glass. Compact and easy to store, it's a reliable emergency tool for any vehicle, helping drivers handle unexpected windshield damage quickly and effectively. Our third product is MalaFox Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. This windshield repair kit offers a highly effective and budget-friendly solution for restoring damaged auto glass. Using advanced nano-level fillers, it creates a tight molecular bond with the windshield structure, helping cracks become nearly invisible while improving overall clarity and safety. Designed for performance and savings, it repairs common damage types such as scratches, star breaks, bullseye chips, crescent cracks, and spiderweb patterns. It delivers professional quality results at a fraction of dealership repair costs, potentially saving up to 80%. One of its key strengths is durability. The resin cures quickly under sunlight, forming a strong protective layer that withstands car washes, UV exposure, and extreme temperature changes. This not only stops cracks from spreading but also ensures long-lasting protection. The kit is also very beginner-friendly. Even first-time users can complete the repair within minutes using a simple application process. Overall, it combines ease of use, strong performance, and reliable results, making it a practical choice for maintaining windshield safety and clarity. Now number 4, Auiepet Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. The 2026 Windshield Chip Repair Kit is a practical and cost-effective solution for fixing minor glass damage before it worsens. Its fast-acting repair fluid creates a strong, long-lasting bond that helps stop cracks and chips from spreading, preserving the structural integrity of windshields and other glass surfaces. Designed as an affordable alternative to full glass replacement, it allows users to quickly restore damaged areas at home, saving both time and money. The application is simple. Just apply the resin directly to the crack or chip, and it bonds efficiently to reinforce the glass. This kit is highly versatile, handling a wide range of damage types including bullseye, star-shaped, half-moon, spiderweb, long cracks, and scratches. It works well on most laminated windshields, making it suitable for everyday vehicle maintenance. After curing, the resin dries to a clear, nearly invisible finish that blends naturally with the glass. Overall, it offers a reliable, user-friendly, and budget-friendly way to maintain windshield clarity and durability without expensive repairs or replacements. And our last choice is Popalula Car Windshield Crack Repair Kit. This windshield repair kit is a fast and practical solution for handling minor glass damage before it spreads. It can repair chips and cracks in as little as 5 minutes, helping prevent further cracking while saving both time and the high cost of replacement. The kit is designed to handle a wide range of damage types, including bullseye chips, star cracks, straight lines, radial breaks, and more. Its high-clarity resin helps the repair blend naturally with the glass, making the damage far less visible after treatment. Built for durability, the cured resin is resistant to vibration, temperature changes, and everyday driving stress. This ensures a strong, long-lasting bond that maintains the integrity of the glass over time. The application process is simple and beginner-friendly. Just clean the surface, apply the resin, and cover it with the curing film. No glass removal is needed, and results appear within minutes. Suitable for windshields, windows, mirrors, headlights, and other laminated glass surfaces, this kit offers a versatile and reliable at-home repair solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.